Hey everybody! I'm super excited to go live today because I've got this really cool new product in. So I thought, how fun would it be to just do a really quick unboxing and take a look at this product right out of the box. And then maybe over the next day or two, we'll do some cool reviews on this product and then maybe even post some fun tutorials to YouTube. Okay, so what we have today are these sweet stamps from Amy Cakes. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys some things so that you can take a look. Hi guys, hi Miss Adams, hey Sarah, hey Cindy, hey everybody. Okay, we're going to take a look at the sweet stamps today, okay? So bear with me as I learn to use this crazy camera. Alright, so what we're looking at are the sweet stamps by Amy Cakes, and if you go to her website, you will see a ton of stuff here. There's some YouTube videos on how to use these products, and then a plethora of different products she's got available. Bunch of different font stamps, and let's see, some floral stamps, some different, looks like they got some Ramadan, Arabic sets, silhouettes, unicorn eyes, all sorts of neat stuff here. So I have got this box that came in the mail today, and I'm going to really quickly just put you guys up here on my Archon mount. Okay. Alright, so I got the sweet box in the mail, sweet stamp, super cute box, little Amy Cakes label on the side. Baker's gonna bake, yeah that's right we are. And this is where you can access this product, sweetstamp.com online, or sweetstamponline.online. Let's see, there's the Amy Cakes online, cute little hashtag that you can use when you're posting use of this product, and of course their Instagram and Facebook tags as well, so that you can find them on all the social media. So let's go ahead and open this box and see what we've got. Alright, easy to open. Sweet! Look how cute. Alright, so it says the Sweet Stamp by Amy Cakes embossing sets for use with ganache, buttercream, and sugar paste fondant. And you're gonna hashtag your cakes with Sweet Stamp after you use these. And it looks like there's some quick instructions here, a little instruction pamphlet for you, or flyer for you to try. So let's go ahead and see what else we've got in here. Fun, looks like we got some little candies or a mint or something, and vegan and gluten-free for all of you who are worried about that. Y'all know I am not. Cute matching tissue paper. Let's just go ahead and pull this guy out. This is gonna be a big surprise because I'm not really sure what I have in this box, what they sent me. So, ooh, cool, I'm so excited. Let's see. I'm gonna try really hard not to accidentally cut anything that's not supposed to be cut. I have a habit of doing that. Alright. Hey Cindy, yes, you are so welcome. I'm excited to use these too. You know, usually I cut most of my text with my silhouette, but sometimes I really don't feel like getting it out. It can be a little bit of a hassle, especially if I'm last second trying to add a name or a message to a cake. Okay, cool. Looks like we got some edible art decorative cake paint in here, and this is metallic banana yellow. It's really bright. Hold this up so you can see how bright that yellow is. All right, this sweet stamp, so this looks like, and I'm going to the website just so that I can confirm. This is the Sweet Stamp Pickup Pad, large size. It's wrapped in cellophane. It's got some cute embossing here. And we've got some guidelines, looks like. I'm not sure, y'all, I'm totally a noob at this. I don't know what I'm doing, so we're gonna learn together. Oh, okay, cool. So it looks like there's a little sticker here. I'm gonna have to watch the YouTube video before I actually use this. So we're just gonna do the unboxing today and see what we have. All right, brush duo, oh sweet. Look at that. Those look like some really nice fine tip brushes. Let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. All right. Nice. Look how fine those tips are on those brushes. That's going to be really helpful for getting into all those small spaces. Come on now. Ta-da. Beautiful. Thank you so much for that. That's going to make life useful. And it looks like they're labeled too as far as the size. So this is a 1 and this is a 0/3. So this one's even smaller. Let's see if I can see, that one's even smaller. Am I getting this in? Hey, Pretty Simple Cakes. Yes, I just got this. I'm so excited. I had to wait to play and take this box apart until I got home today because I promised my son that we would go and see Toy Story. And then I was all set to get this done when we walked in the door until I got roped into making a spork with arms. So if you have seen the movie, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, it set me back a little bit. Okay. So it looks like this is one of the actual sweet stamps. This is letters, upper and lower embossing sets. I'm not sure which one this is, but let's see if I, oh, okay, it's Stylish. So this set is called Stylish. I'm gonna pull this up on her website so I can tell you. Okay, so this set is $22.63. Oh wait, no, that's the numbers, okay. The sweet stamp set for Stylish looks like $31.27 US dollars on their website. It's all nice and tightly wrapped together. All right. Ooh, so excited about this one. I got the Botanical Dreams floral embossing set. Y'all know how much fun I'm gonna have with this because you know I love to paint. So we are gonna have so much fun with this tomorrow, making some floral patterns and painting them in. I'm super excited. Okay, so looks like all you really need to get started with the sweet stamps is the pickup pad. And I'm guessing this probably isn't absolutely required, but I'm also willing to bet it makes your life a whole lot easier too, just to keep the letters in line. But I'm gonna get creative with this and see what we can do tomorrow, okay? And I love that it has the curvature to it just so that you can, like, you know, keep them in a nice clean circle and then almost plan it out on your cake. So let's see if I have like a dummy or something I can use. So if I have a dummy, I can plan where this would go and set my letters right in line. Super excited. Okay, and I'm just going to open this up really quick because I want to see how easy these are to remove from the little board that they're being held inside of. Okay, so it looks like it's double wrapped. So you've got the lowercase in one and the uppercase in another. Easy to find what you're looking for. Oh my goodness, it's so well packaged. See if I can get inside. Okay, I love these colors too. They're fun and bright, and you definitely aren't gonna lose them in the drawer. Okay, all right, so I'm guessing, like I said, I'm gonna have to do some research on how to properly remove these tomorrow and watch some YouTube videos before I come back and give you an actual review on this. Come on out. Ta-da, popped right out. So from what I've seen so far, and I work all the time, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to watch videos, but I'm guessing that this is gonna somehow stick to the sweet stamp, right? And then we would make our letter, write our message, and then we'll be able to pick this guy up and just stamp it right on the cake. Sweet. And I can set this right back in line. See if I can remove this little tiny piece there. Lock it right back into place. Put that little guy back in if you want to. And then I can probably just wrap this in like plastic wrap to store it, to keep anything from falling out of the board. But anyway, This is super exciting. I'm really excited to play with these tomorrow. If you have yours in, tag me so that I can see what you've been doing with yours and get inspired for some YouTube videos and reviews. Try a few different things with these and let's get really creative with them, okay? All right, so don't forget to tag your creations with Sweet Stamp right there at the bottom, Sweet Stamp. And let's see what you've been doing with yours. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hey you guys, so I'm going to show you really quickly how to prepare your Amy Cakes sweet stamp sets for first time use straight out of the package. So when you get them, the letter sets will be cellophane wrapped together just like these, kind of were like this that you saw in my previous video. So you're going to unwrap those individually, and then what you have here is basically two trays. One tray is your uppercase and one tray is your lowercase. All right. So you'll see that some of mine came with these little triangle cutouts missing already and some of those inner pieces missing, which is fine because we're going to get rid of those anyway. All right, these triangles are really important because that's actually what helps you remove the letters from the tray. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tray, got a little foam board here, and I'm just going to flip it over, give it a little tap, and most of my letters are going to pop out right away. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside really quickly. And then I'm going to come back in and see here. What Amy Cakes recommends is using a scribe tool or a needle and a small piece of fondant to help remove these other letters that might be a little bit more persistent as staying in the board. And over time, the more you use these, the easier they will be to remove from the tray. Biggest thing to watch out for is you just don't want to force the letters out because they can break that way. So we don't want to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove that little triangle there. Let's see if this one can pop out kind of easily. If not, maybe we can use this little tacky piece of fondant to help guide us out. Let's see. There we go. You just don't want to force. All right. Removing that letter. Again with the O to come back in here. Just don't force it. Maybe do a little bit of wiggling the first time. So like I said, they might be a little bit stuck in there. See, I'm not having as much luck with that ball of fondant method. See if we can remove this in. Let's see here. Actually going to turn it over and see if I can use gravity to help me remove this piece. Let's see. And we're not forcing. There we go. Looks like you just have to grab it in the right spot. Okay. And the first time you do this, I recommend going through this process somewhere away from where you're working on your cakes, because see, these little guys can pop out and we don't want that to accidentally get lost in a piece of fondant or someone can eat it, or even into your cake batter. That would really suck. So maybe take care of this step away from your production area, or at least clean up your space before moving on to your next step. All right. There we go. So it looks like the O was stuck against this little piece right there, so all I did was apply some pressure down while lifting the O to help that pop out. And then I'm just gonna really gently try to remove this piece without breaking. That one's just a little bit stuck. So I'm gonna come back to that. Again with the end. Just a little stuck there, so I stuck my fingernail in between that section, right there where it was stuck, and then that was easy to remove. So here on the O, all right, looks like my O is still sticking. It's funny, because I can almost see through that hole right there. I don't want to stab my finger. I definitely, oh, there we go. I just took a little bit of pressure and it popped right out. I was worried about breaking it. So what I did was held really tightly on both of these pieces because I want to support that little bridge right there, and then pushed really hard with my fingernail and that popped out, okay? So now my tray is empty and I can go ahead and stick all my letters back in the tray. And they'll be much easier for me to remove from now on for future use. All right, so let's try one of those letters that we were having trouble with earlier now and see if it's easier to get out. So we were having some trouble with the O. Let's see, way easier to remove second time around. The N as well, super easy to remove. And let's see if we can use that fondant method as well to remove a piece. Oh, yep, we got it, okay. So after your first time removing all the little extra pieces from your tray, it'll be much easier to pull these guys out just using a ball of fondant. All right, when I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with my lowercase set. And then I'm gonna do a quick cleanup to get all these little tiny pieces that came out of the way and in the trash, because I am probably never going to need those again. All right, although I guess you could use some of these for little apostrophes or periods, whatever you think they might come in useful for. You could put them in a little container and keep them if you absolutely felt the need.